Dear friends, this week we begin the new book of Bamidbar. Talks about the sojourn of the Jewish people in the desert. And the portion of Bamidbar begins with the census that God made of the Jewish people. And we find that God counted the Jews several times in the desert. Actually, in the first year we were there, we were counted 3 times. And the question is, why would God need to continuously count us again and again? If God gave manna from heaven, didn't he know our numbers? What was the purpose of counting and counting so closely together? And our rabbis tell us that the counting was not for God's purposes, but was a message to every one of us. When you count someone, every person is counted equally. Every person equals one. From the greatest, Moses, Moshe Rabbeinu, to the simple Jew, we were all counted as one. And the message God is giving us is that every one of us counts. Every one of us is important. We're all equally needed here in the world. Any person who is here in the world is a vote of confidence from God that you belong and that you are needed and you have a unique mission that no one else can accomplish. It cannot be duplicated by anyone else. And this is the message God is giving to us in the desert, but really for all time. That we must always remember we have tremendous self-worth. We have to feel our value and feel that we have what to give to the world. But how do we know what we have to give to the world? How do we know what our purpose and mission is? This is what the Torah is all about. This portion is always read before the holiday of Shavuot, when we celebrate God's giving us the Torah. Because in the Torah, God guides us to recognize our uniqueness and our mission and our purpose and our duty. And knowing that we have self-worth pushes us to immediately roll up our sleeves and begin the process of making our mark in the world around us, but more importantly, making the mark in our life, becoming a better person, a stronger person, more courageous, brave, smarter, and someone who becomes more productive and really expressing our true selves to become a piece of art from which the world benefits. And this is something that's important to remember every day and carry with us. In the desert, God reminded us all the time, count again and again. Remember, we may fall, we make mistakes, but we have tremendous value. It still lies within us. Let us bring it out and let us change the world piece by piece, action by action, person by person, and make this world a beautiful place. And just like we stood at Mount Sinai in perfection, everyone was healthy and well and strong, so too we will bring the world to its current perfection with the coming of Mashiach quickly in our days. Shabbat in Montreal, candlelighting time is 8/11 this week. I want to wish you all a Shabbat Shalom, a Chag Sameach. We love you all and rooting for all of you to be the best you can be.